Mga bakla, another lip swatches na naman tayo, but this time, powder tint? Powder tint? These are the Careline powder tint. Swatch na natin, di ba? Mag-start tayo kay Bay. I-shake ko lang siya just to make sure. Ooh, still ball roller. This is Bay. It sets into a powder matte. Wow! Swatch ko siya on the lips. This is Bay on swatch. This is Bay on my lips. Wow. Next shade, OMG. This is OMG. Para siyang brownish something. Let's apply it on the lips. This is OMG. Akala ko hindi ko siya magugustuhan. Ang ganda niya on my skin. Nakikita niyo ba? Napa-OMG ako. Ang ganda. Once na natuyo na, transfer proof. Next shade, YOLO. This is YOLO. Mamaroon, darling. That's YOLO on swatch. Let's apply it on the lips. Oh, in fairness to this, maganda rin si YOLO, ha? Ang ganda, OMG. And our last shade, this is Seriously. Ooh. This is Seriously. This is Seriously. My God, ang ganda. And again, these are the Careline Powder Matte Lip Tint. Nung sinabi nilang powder, akala ko like powder talaga. Pero liquidy pa rin talaga siya. But it turns out that it sets into a powder matte. Hindi ko in-expect na lahat ng shades na to magugustuhan ko. But for me, personally, super nagustuhan ko si OMG. Na-surprise niya ako and talagang napa-OMG ako with that. Final thoughts with this, I think this one will really suits high school student. Ang dami niya na and a little goes a long way. Ito yung mga type of lip product na hindi mo kailangan maglagay ng full application para ma-achieve mo yung freshness na gusto mo. Because in just one swipe, meron kang kulay sa labi and I think pwede mo rin tong gamitin on your cheeks eh. So, in fairness to this, small but terrible. Go!